Hey, you wanna know something cool? Let's think you are a small business owner and you wanna sell your products. What would you do to sell your products? What someone normally does is go to social media and post their advertisements, or go to some web page and post their advertisement. But this process has so much guesswork in it. Hence, you might miss a chance to attract the right consumer base you want. And that's where Mion Advertising Assistant comes in. Mion Advertising Assistant can mainly help you in two ways. One is that it gives you a full report on strategies and statistics related to your product that you can use to attract the right consumer base. And not just that, it can also create advertisement by itself, post them on social media or on right web platforms at effective times. So here how it works. First, the user has to fill 4 sections to complete the form which asks about the details of the product, business and the campaign. And I have already did that. And then in the 4th section, you can press the Generate Strategy and Schedule Post button. And finally, you will receive a report full of strategies and statistics. And finally, you will receive a full report on strategies and statistics. And there are so many strategies and statistics details over here. And you can download it over here by clicking download PDF button. PDF. And here's the PDF file. So let's just see what details it provides us. First, it gives the brief description about target audience, and then customer persona, and then SWOT analysis including strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and threats, and then competitive analysis, and then pricing strategies, and then ad content strategies, and ready to post captions, platforms and best times, market insight, 7-day content calendar, and the growth roadmap. So as I promised, it gives so much valuable details to attract our consumer base. So is that it? No, not of course. It can also post advertisement on social media and web pages at effective times. It is built using Python and Flask for backend with HTML, CSS and JavaScript powering the front-end interfaces, including a fully custom-built demo Instagram feed. For AI, we are using Google Gemini to generate the marketing strategies combined with a RAG layer built on ChromaDB and sentence transformers, which lets the system pull the real market research data to make recommendations more accurate. Additional tools include Report Lab for PDF generation, Hugging Face for ad creation, and 11 Labs for voice and SQLite for database. Everything works together as one fully integrated AI-powered marketing platform. Yes, it is just a prototype, but there are so many ways to upgrade this idea and upgrade this product. I will tell you two. The first one is finding real data. I had to use AI generated realistic data because finding real data was so hard and sometimes had boundaries. And the second one is finding real API keys to the social media platforms, because that needs a business background and I had to use demo web pages to illustrate that. And thank you.